morning to all of you. My name is Gaurav and today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic of the modernization of armed forces. So friends, India is in tremendous need to modernize its armed forces, which include the restructuring of strength, the replacement of old weapons, and to procure more advanced defense equipments. Now friends, from 2010, it has been seen that China has become our enemy number one. Our CDS has recently stated that, which means our focus has now shifted from west to the east. The Chinese People Liberation Army and Navy, they are expanding and they pose real threat to us. We have seen that New Delhi is currently locked under standoff with China from 2020 after the Galwan incident. And of course, the hotline, that is the Pakistan, continuously doing ceasefire violations. So in such a situation, we, to tackle with this, we need most advanced weapons. Like we need most fighter aircraft, UAV, missile defense systems, submarines, armored vehicles, artillery, and there are a lot more. So in such a context, gentlemen, our government is not sitting quiet. We made DAC, that is Defense Acquisition Council, in 2001 to quick procurement of defense equipments. We made DAP 2020, which is more focused on our indigenous manufacturing or defense sector. Our CDS has decided to cut down our strength of troops, and our more focus is on making integrated battle groups and more strategic commands, which will be more effective striking groups. Under the project 75 Alpha and 75I, we are constructing more advanced nuclear submarine. Recently, INS Vishakhapatnam and INS Bela got commissioned. Our DRDO has done tremendous work. Every month we heard that a new missile has been tested. On an emergency procurement after the Galwan incident, we procure more Su-30 and M20 and MiG-29 fighter aircrafts to meet the requirement of our fighter squadron. Apart from that, we are purchasing M777 howitzer gun, AK-203 rifles, Predator drones, more air defense system from Israel, and there are a lot more. Recently, we bought the first batch of S-400 missile defense system, which we already deployed in western frontier against Pakistan, which will be a game changer for us. So in this context, gentlemen, I would say that finally, I would say that India is not only procuring the defense equipments from foreign countries, we are also focusing on our domestic countries, and that is why we have seen that we banned imports of defense equipments at least on 209 items. Apart from that, I think our defense budget should be increased from 70 billion to 100 billion at least. And our DRDO should allocate more budget so that they can do more innovation works. We are started selling our defense equipments, like we are selling Tejas fighter aircraft, BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, and also this Swati radar system and lot more. So we are on the way to become a superpower in the world, and modernization of weapons play a very important role into it. Thank you and Jai Hind.